I'm Lance with Brando Consulting, inventory software expert since 2006. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to extract customer data out of QuickBooks Desktop so we can manipulate it in a way that will be import friendly for the inventory software program Sin7. Okay, so I went to QuickBooks Desktop. I've got the sample advanced inventory file up. I went to Excel export customer list. That gave me this file, and there's a lot of problems with this file. For one, QuickBooks stores the job, or you could also call it a sub-customer, in this format when it exports. So we've got Dunnings Pool Depot Inc. and then the sub-customers or the jobs with a colon. That's not that bad of a problem. The real challenge is the way the address information comes out. Notice we have bill to 1, bill to 2, bill to 3, bill to 4, bill to 5. Same kind of structure in shipping. When we look in this area, we see that the data is inconsistent. One bill to 5 will have the city, state, and zip. One bill to 4 will have the city, state, and zip. Bill 2.3 will have the city, state, and zip. The data is all over the place. It's everywhere. So you could go about it this way. Here's another example where I took some time and went through this bill 2.1, bill 2.2, bill 2.3 and created a state and zip with separate columns and created a bill to city. And man, I tell you, that was painful, very manual. If you have tens of thousands of customers, that would be awful. Well, luckily there's another way. In comes Microsoft Access and QODBC. I have QODBC from Flex Quarters set up in QuickBooks. Here's a shout out to the folks over at QODBC. QODBC, thanks for sponsoring this video. ODBC stands for Open Database Connection. Add the Q and we've got a QuickBooks Open Database Connection. Now that we're connected to the database, we can access the fields that QuickBooks is not exporting in this export. We can export the city, state, and zip fields. So back to Access, I go to New Data Source, From Other Sources, ODBC data source, and previously I connected QODBC to QuickBooks. Come here to our connection I previously set up, click OK, and voila! Here are all the tables available through QODBC. All of the QuickBooks tables available through QODBC. Now the ones I want are the ones that are applicable to the customer. So I'm going to look for the customer table, and notice there are other customer tables that I may want as well, like the ship to address, maybe customer contacts, maybe customer type and custom field. And for this exercise, that's about all I want, but notice all the other goodness there that we can grab from QuickBooks. Woohoo! Click OK, grab a drink or a snack, let it pull over the data. Woo! Look at that. Bam! I just held down Control, clicked all the tables that I wanted, and QODBC pulled over all the data I wanted from QuickBooks. Now I can go to the table, open the table, and look at that. Just look at it. Now we've got name and full name separated. We have the parent full name. Remember we were looking at Dunnings Pools, so that's already separated. Dunnings Pool and the sub-companies, or as QuickBooks called them, jobs. Now if we come over here, yay! We've got city, state, and zip already separated. Beautiful. Thank you, QODBC. Take a look at my next video where we export that out of Access and import it into Sin7.